Take this right here first, and then the pin, and when you tie it, it's gonna lock it in place. So you're gonna worry about that shit. Take it out, and then over here in the bottom,
gotta do this. So you don't have to take this out. All you gotta do is just turn it off, unplug it from here, plug the other one in, and then this to the other end, and you run the out, or you could do it through the wood, through the back, all the way to the back. I'm not gonna do that because I live in an apartment, so I'm not gonna waste my time doing that. Connects to that, so you can turn it on right here. This is what I did. Run it through here, made a hole. So what I'm gonna do is run this cable like all the way through the bottom, hit it right here, like that, and then connect it back in the fridge. Let's check if it has any leaks. Okay, you don't see any. This is water right here. There it goes. So since it's barely connected, so now it's gonna be like a little bit weird, but there it goes. So there goes some any leaks. Make sure you don't see any. Okay, so it's about good. Now the ice should take about 24 to 48 hours to start making ice, because you just put the water in. So you can enjoy some cold water now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it, and hope it helped you. So you won't have to waste $200, $180, whatever you gotta waste with the plumbing guy to come in. So you can do this for about 20 bucks, because that's how you do it. I enjoyed saving some money. Now you can make some tacos.